Hi, this is Charlie Yu from MMBatch. In this demo, I will show you how MMBatch works on AWS Batch. So what you're seeing here is our latest GUI, the user interface. And one of the things that will stand out for the user is the savings. With MMBatch, you can save average about 60% compared to not having our software. So right away, on the total cost savings, you can see here, that's the average we see across all the jobs we run on this MMBatch. So the way we derive this number is from looking at if you use our software versus without using our software. So you can see here, without our software, basically all the job run on on-demand instance, and that result in this number. And then this is the number with our software running on Spot instance, along with the Spot protection. So essentially, the job is protected while it's running, and these checkpoints restores is what allow us to achieve the cost savings. That's the Spot protections. Over here, we see all the job queues, and these two job queues should correspond to the same job queues you have on AWS Batch. And that is just the main screen here for the MMBatch dashboard. Over here, we can look at the nodes. These are the current working instances on AWS, and we're showing these instances properties, the CPU types, CPU cores, region, pay type, and so on and so forth. And in the view, you can get more detailed information about the log files for these instances. Under jobs, we can get more detailed information about the job we're running, as well as the job succeeded and also the failed job. So looking at the current running job, we can go over here, go to view, and see when the job was created, the status. And then if we look under succeeded jobs, we can look at the lifetime of this job, when they started, when they were interrupted, and then checkpointed, and as well as succeeded from the restore of the checkpoint. And then finally, these jobs are succeeded when it finished at the end. The last metric, the last screen here is the metric screen, and it gives us a lot of valuable information about these jobs, right? We can look at all these metrics over time, such as number of total jobs running and then total cost saved by using on-demand instances or versus a number of restores succeeded. So a wealth of detailed information here. You can think about this as a miniature of the reporting tool for MMBatch, and it can give you all these level of details. So again, a quick walkthrough about the dashboard. And again, the most meaningful thing for our end user is really the cost savings, how much they can save on EC2 compute by leveraging MMBatch. Thanks for watching.